Welcome to our How to Draw Snowflake series. These snowflakes are available for free in a bundle from my Creative Fabrica store, and these snowflakes are 8 in number, which we are going to build one by one, and these are available for free from my Creative Fabrica store. And the link to this design will be in the description of this video. Today we are going to make something like this. If you go to my Etsy shop and go to Christmas and New Year's, you will see so many snowflakes and the use of it. What I'm going to make today, this is a filler snowflake. I will call it a filler. You can see this. Now these are detailed. These are very detailed, very beautiful. But this tiny little snowflake, you can see here, if I even zoom this, you can see this tiny little snowflake. Why make this? Because you can see in these coats, they are big snowflakes, and then snowflakes come in every size. And if I make this design particularly, let's talk about this design. If I want to make it, like I made it smaller and I made it bigger, but if I want to make it very small, this will lose a lot of detail and it will not look good. So I make these sort of small but sturdy design. When it will be cut, it will be easy, and it takes a lot of work to make these little ones, to make them perfect, so they can be part of a larger design and they can be used as fillers, and it makes the design like this is a really small detail, this little tiny snowflake, but it puts this design in on another level. So let's start. So for this, to make this tiny little snowflake, it is really simple, but you will see how much detail it takes. So this is my snowflake design file. I am making these snowflakes one by one slowly. You can watch other videos how I made the other ones. For this, I'll just bring up my guides. So everything starts from the center, and remember, this is a 12 into 12 inch artboard, so you can see I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. This design, this is a very simple design but with a lot of detail, and I'm going to choose a dark color, choose rectangle tool. That's it. I'm going to make a rectangle. That's it. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to align it to the artboard right in the middle, so I know where the design is. And I'm going to make it a little bit taller. We can always alter the design when we are making it. There are no hard and fast rules, so just select it. I'll just remove my guides so you will see the design properly. Just select the design, this rectangle, Control C, copy, and Control F, which puts it right in the front. And if I hold my shift key and use this rotate, rotating arrow, it will rotate it to a 45 degree in a 45 degree increment. Now what I'm going to do again, I'm going to Control C and Control F, rotate like this, and again Control C, Control F, this one, and rotate it here. That's it. It is done. Very simply, I'm going to select everything, object, expand, unite from the Pathfinder. You can find Pathfinder by going into Windows and Pathfinder, and usually people have Pathfinder here, but I keep it here, and you will see how much work I do with this panel every day. So this snowflake is complete, you can see right here, but to see the detail that this is a rounded, the corners are rounded, these are not sharp corners. So what for that, I'm just going to select this shape, go to my direct selection tool, and you will see these tiny round handle appears on the 90-degree angles mostly. What I'm going to do, when I'm going to pull these handles, which are found at every corner, it is also found here, it will make this shape rounded. So I'm going to pull it little and little more, maybe. That's it. This design is done. I'm just going to select object, expand, unite, convert it into a compound path. So this design is ready to go. Now you know when you can, this is a vector artwork, so you can resize it, make it really small, but you will see it has structural integrity. It will not tear. If you want to put these tiny snowflakes as a filler, there will be still a stronger design, stronger than this one. So this is the design, which is very small but very useful.